Hi, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss you about the multiple choice questions that I have conducted quiz on 21st September related to the topic fiber to fabric. If any of you have committed mistakes, please go through the video so that you can rectify those mistakes without any doubt. Let us move into the questions one by one. Which of the following are natural fibers? Linen, silk, wool, all are natural fibers only. So the correct answer is all. Second question, fabric is made out of fiber by. Fabric is made out of fiber by two processes. First, fiber has to be turned into yarn and yarn into fabric. So answer for this question is both A and B, because fiber is converted into yarn with the help of spinning, and that yarn is converted into fabric with the help of weaving. So answer is both A and B. Coming to third question. First known fiber crop in the world. What is the first known fiber crop in the world? The first known fiber crop in the world is cotton. Okay. Fibers obtained from coconut or from which part? They are obtained from the fruits. Entire fruit is used. The coir is used in the manufacturing of different articles. Okay. And coming to fifth question. A clothing fabric obtained from Kashmiri goats. What is that called as cashmere? Cashmere is the correct answer. Sixth question. Which of the following are not plant fibers? Cotton and jute are plant fibers, but they are asking what are not plant fibers. So the correct answer is none. Okay. Then coming to the next question. Seventh question. Silk was invented in which part of the world? It is invented in China. Eighth question. Which of the following are not animal fibers? Flax, ramie, hemp. Not animal fibers means they may be plant fibers. All these are plant fibers. So the correct answer is option D, all the above. Coming to the next question. Ninth question. Source of wool. Wool is obtained from yak, sheep and visuna. All the above is the correct answer for this question. 10th question. Which of the following are synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers, sterylene and acrylic are the examples of synthetic fibers. So the answer for this question is D, both B and C. 11th question. Which of the following is true about natural fabrics? A. Obtained from plants or animals. They are biodegradable only in few cases. They are very cheap. They are not very cheap and they are degradable in most of the cases. So the correct answer for this question is obtained from plants or animals. Then next question. Coming to 12th question, applications of natural fibers. What are the applications? It can be used as clothing material, decorative items, upholstery, all the above. All the above is the answer for this question. And 13th question, fur of following animals can also be used as clothing material. A. Muskrat, B. Beaver, C. Mink, D. All the above. Answer is all the above. And coming to 14th question, yarn made out of fiber by. Yarn can be made out of fiber by the process of spinning. Option B is the correct answer for this question. Coming to 15th question, fabric made out of yarn by the process of. It is by either weaving or knitting. So correct answer is C, both. Coming to 16th question, which of the following is true about cotton? A. It was one of the earliest fiber crop known. B. It can grow best in black soil. Rainfall requirement is 50 cm to 80 cm. So the correct answer for this question is all the above. All the above is the correct answer for the 16th question. Coming to 17th question. Cotton is best grown in which part of the country? A. Punjab, B. Maharashtra, both. Still Andhra Pradesh and some more examples are there. Here two are given and they are correct. 18th question. Which part of the cotton yield fibers? Fruits, balls, both. Answer is both. 19th question. What is the method of harvesting in case of cotton? A. Ginning, B. Combing, C. Hand picking, D. Weaving. What is the method of harvesting? Harvesting method is hand picking. How they are collected? That is nothing but harvesting. Okay? Flow chart for obtaining cotton fabric from plant. The correct answer here is hand picking, ginning, spinning, weaving, hand picking, combing, spinning, knitting. Ginning or combing is the same, so the correct answer for this question is option D, both B and C. First they will be collected by hand picking and then seeds are separated, that is combing or ginning. Then those fibers are converted into yarn and the process is called as spinning. And then either with the help of weaving or by knitting, this yarn is made into fabric. So the correct answer is D, both B and C. 21st question. Ginning of cotton means separation of seeds from the fibers and make it into bales. Bales means mass around 100 and 150 kgs, packed very tightly. That is nothing but bales. Bales is nothing but 100 to 150 kg mass of cotton will be there and they are tightly packed by pressing. Those are nothing but bales of cotton. Coming to 22nd question. Ginning can be done with the help of A. Hands, B. Charka, C. Takli, both B and C. Actually, it can be done with the help of hands or by machines. But here only option apt that was given is hands. Coming to 23rd question. Spinning can be done by hand operated devices, by machines. Both are correct. So the correct answer is both. Okay. And coming to the next question, that is 24th question. Which of the following is not true about weaving? Weaving is a process of arranging two yarns together. B. Weaving is carried out by looms. C. Looms may be hand operated or power operated. All these are correct, but they are asking not true. So the correct answer is none. 25th question. The main difference between weaving and knitting. A. In weaving only one yarn used. In knitting two or more yarns are used. B. In knitting a piece of fabric made out of single yarn. C. In weaving two or more yarns are arranged together to form a piece of fabric. So the correct answer here is both B and C. That is the fourth option, both B and C, because knitting is nothing but a piece of fabric made out of a single yarn. In weaving two or more yarns are interlaced together to form a piece of fabric. That is the main difference. So the correct answer for this is D, both B and C. Okay. Next, 26th question. Weaving can be done with the help of looms. Either they may be hand looms or power looms. So the correct answer is C, both. Okay. 27th. Knitting can be done either by hands or machines. C, none. D, both. So the correct answer is D, both. And coming to 28th question. What is cull? It is direct bit from the textbook only. A. Palm seed cake. B. Sunflower seed meal. C. Cotton seed meal. D. Sesame seed oil. The correct answer is cotton seed meal or cotton seed cake. That is nothing but cull. Livestock means farm animals. Cows, buffaloes and some other animals like goats, sheep, all these come under farm animals. Okay. The next question, the cheapest natural fiber crop. Very easy question this one, jute. Okay, with this we have completed 30 multiple choice question. This is very easy quiz. So even if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. If you have visited for the first time to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, please click on the like button and share it with your friends. And that's all for today. We will meet in another video. Bye bye.